Hi there, students. Okay, in this video we're going to look at concord and discord. Concord can be a noun or a verb, and discord as well, a noun or a verb. Concordant, the adjective. Discordant, the adjective. Okay, so to concord is to agree. Okay, so what the defendant said did not concord with the evidence presented by other witnesses. And discord is a lack of agreement. Do you concord with this decision? There was discord among the representatives of the meeting. But notice concord and discord go further. Concord talks about peace, goodwill, friendship, harmony of interests or feelings. There was concord between the two nations, and they lived happily side by side, helping each other. Discord talks about argument. It talks about quarrelling, conflict, animosity, strife, and disagreement. There was discord between the ethnic groups living in the area, and this led to rioting and all sorts of things. So disagreement leads to discord, and agreement leads to concord. While I'm saying this, Concorde the aeroplane has an E on the end, okay? But this is just Concorde ending in D. Now, we can use this word concord and discord in music. Concord is an agreeable mixture of notes, harmony. It sounds great. Discord is a disagreeable combination of sounds, dissonance, a loud, harsh mixture of sounds. We can also use the word a concord to mean a treaty, establishing peaceful relations. You could look up the Treaty of Concord. We also use concord to concord in language. For example, they is working. This doesn't concord. They does not concord with is. Okay, so it's agreement between the different grammatical parts. These dog. Again, there's no concordance. Okay, so they is working. The two words they and is do not agree. So, concord, agreement. Your words do not concord with your actions. Concord, peace, harmony, and goodwill. There was concord between the different political factions. Unusual but possible. Concord, harmony of sound and colour. Concord, agreement linguistically, and apples, that doesn't concord. And then discord, disagreement, strife, fighting, quarrelling. There was discord between the members of the family. And then discord, dissonance, something that sounds really bad. Okay? So, let's see, both to concord and to discord, they're regular verbs. The numbers concorded. The numbers have concorded on every page so far. They discorded. They discorded about what they should do next. I think discord, you can use it as a verb, but it's not very common. Okay, let's see. Concord and discord. I think discord is a 5 informality. You can flexible, you can use it anywhere, informally and formally. To concord, I'm going to give it a 6.5 informality. I think informally I would use the verb to agree. So concord for semi-formal and formal. And then as to origin, well, these come from Latin. Concord, con with, and cordis, the heart, so with heart, and dis, not cordis, so not heart, so with heart or not with heart. Oh, let's see, I didn't give you any example of concordant. His actions are not concordant with what he does. There was a very discordant attitude within the society. Just a couple of examples. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Concord, discord. Concordant, discordant.